Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. Today we'll look at the immune cell antigens. So immune cell antigens which are detected by the monoclonal antibodies. So to start with, first is the immune cells, that is a T cell. So under the T cells, what are the antigens associated? Is CD1, 3, 4, 5 and 8. Next is the B cell. So under B cell, what we have? There is CD, 10, 19, 20, 21, 23 and the 79A. Next is the monocytes. Monocyte or the macrophage. So this includes the presence of CD11C, 13, 14, 15, 33 as well as 64. Next is the NK cells. In case of NK, it is going to be CD16 as well as 56. Then let's look at the hematopoietic. Hematopoietic stem cell, this will be CD34. Then comes the leukocyte. The leukocyte common antigens. Leukocyte common antigen is going to be CD45. Then comes the presence of the activated B cells as well as T cells and the monocytes as well as the Reed-Steinberg cells. So this is nothing but the CD30.